You know, the average American breakfast is pretty sweet. So many of us eat cereal and pastry, but in Israel and the Middle East, breakfast is savory. And today I'll show you an Israeli favorite called Burekas, and I'll make it with roasted eggplant and one with mixed cheeses. I roasted an eggplant and I removed the skin and the seeds, and now I'm mashing it, and I'll add in some feta cheese and some mozzarella and a little bit of salt and pepper, and mix that up, and that is one filling. And then I'll make a second filling which starts with a beaten egg and also some feta, because after all this is Middle Eastern food, and some cheddar cheese, and I'll mix that as well. I've got sheets of phyllo dough that I brushed lightly with melted butter, and I will put another on top, and then I'll do that a total of 4 times. Now I'm scoring the pastry into 4 strips about 2 inches wide, and then I will put some of the filling at the bottom and then fold them over, kind of like I'm making folding a flag. When I get to the top, I'll brush with just a little bit more melted butter to help seal it, and put it on my baking tray. Now I'm going to brush each of the burekas with the melted butter and then top them with sesame seeds, then bake them in a 350 oven for about 20 minutes until they're beautifully golden brown. I think you're going to love this savory take on breakfast, or you can actually use this as an appetizer for another meal. And I'll send you the recipe, including how to roast an eggplant, if you'll write to me here at the station, or log on to the website and click over to the Kitchen Guy page. I'm Chef Jim. Thanks for watching Kitchen Guy, the tastiest 2 minutes in television. I'll see you next time.